All right, with y'all, I'm at the river. I'm gonna hook up my GoPro. We're gonna see if we can get some good footage. We're gonna see what we can do today. Okay, I've been sitting here for over about 30 minutes now. Haven't got a bite. One using shrimp, the other one is using shad. And rebait it up. Let's see what happens. We got a nice bite going on right here. I'm using shrimp. See if you want to take it. Oh yeah, some has it. Okay. Nice sized catfish. All right. Let's get these pliers out. Let's see if we can. All right, I got him off this shrimp on here. Let's get this hook out of there. All right. Nice little catfish. Let's put them back in and do it again. Caught me a little small one. All right. I don't know if my GoPro was recording, but let's check this one out. Got another one. It says about a good 2 solid pounds right there. I'm using my grub. She got a fat belly on her. Oh, he's been eating good, or okay. Got another one on the board. Nice size. Caught another one. Come on. Small, but it's a catch. There we go. There we go, boys. Only 3 casts got my first. Yeah, he tried to swallow it. There we go. There we go. What y'all think about that?